you might want to change if you're using a different stitch or you're inserting a zip is your presser foot. Now, most presser feet on beginner machines have a clamp on the back of the shank. The shank is this bar here that holds the foot in place. And on the back of it is a small black button. And when you press it, it will release the foot. If you look at the foot, you will see that it has a horizontal bar running across the top of it. And it is that bar that clamps onto the shank. So all of the feet for your machine will have a similar bar. Now this is the most common foot you might change to. This is a zipper foot. And the reason I'm demonstrating with this one is you can see that the bar is twice the width. And that's because a zipper foot can be attached on either side of the clamp. So depending on which side of the zip you need to stitch on will determine which side of the foot you're going to clamp on. Position the bar underneath the clamp and then use your presser foot lever to go down and pick up the clamp. Now you can see this is quite tricky to do, especially if you're trying not to have your hand in the camera like I am. But if you keep repositioning it, eventually you will get it in just the right place, and you'll notice when you lift your foot, then it's attached. Let me show you on the other side. If I release the clamp, I can slide it over to the other side of the foot, and then I'm going to pop my presser foot down, and it's now attached to the shank. So anytime you need to change to a different foot, just simply press the button to release, position your new foot underneath, lining the bar up with the base of the clamp, and then using your presser foot lever, you can move it down to clamp it and pick it up. And that's how you change your presser foot.